How to recover Telegram deleted messages or chats. So if you want to recover Telegram deleted messages or chats, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Telegram application. After opening your Telegram, now if you want to recover a chat, like for example, I'll just simply go and delete a chat right here. I'll select on it and then go with the trash, which will be in the top right, and it will be deleted. And tap on delete chat. Now as you can see on the bottom, you will have an undo option. You can tap on undo and your chat has been recovered. But if the timer has gone and now you need to recover your deleted messages, what you can do is just open up your files on the device. Make sure you have turned on the backup before that. After that, you can just simply go with My Files or your file manager, open it up, and here you need to search for Telegram. So go with the search which will be on the top and then search for Telegram until you find org.telegram.messenger. Just tap on it and then tap on Telegram. Here you'll be able to see all the photos and videos that you may have shared on Telegram or that other people have shared on Telegram. You may just go to this folder and then find your media if you have turned on the backup. So this is one method or how you can recover the deleted media on your device using your phone. However, if you want to recover the whole message, it is not possible using your phone. But if you are on your laptop, you can easily recover your messages. In order to do that, you can just simply go with your desktop. You can open up your Telegram on your desktop. After that, you can go with the chat that you want to recover or the chat that you don't want to be deleted. You just need to simply follow some steps in case it gets deleted accidentally and you want to recover it. You can simply go with the chat, like Telegram chat, and on top right, you will have the three dots on your laptop. And once you tap on the three dots, you will find an option of export chat history. Once you find that export chat history, you'll be able to export the whole chat. You can choose the folder where you want to save your messages. And just like that, you will be able to export your chat history. But on mobile device, it's not possible. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.